I have a story yesterday. 2 days ago, I have suddenly a strong feeling, I need to take a copy of my key because one of my rented house that do not have spare key and no blacksmith willing to copy it for me because I'm looking for like 5 or 6 of them. Then they say this key cannot be copied. I have no idea why, but because they don't have the mold or really the key is under control. So I have no choice. That I only got one key until last 2 days ago. I suddenly feel that I should take a copy. After I took a copy, yesterday happened. My wife left the key inside the house. Yeah, then the door closed. We cannot get in. Then I started to think. Okay, we have the picture, and I'm 3D printers. So why don't I just print the key? So I'm showing it reverse without the front part because this is my key. I don't want to show you. The back side is already cutted because I'm using PETG to print it, so it's too soft, and the door is like highly security one. It's very hard to rotate with plastic. It's almost not possible. So I cut the back side. I use the fresh cutter to put in. Actually the cutter used as a key rotation power straight because the gear inside is purposely just to push on the right place, left it and rotatable, so you can rotate it from outside. Then I prevent my key broken inside, meaning plastic key, and I was able to open the door. But when I open the door, actually it takes some time, and that is like midnight, 4 AM, crazy. But I can say 3D printing key is what. So you can crack security with just 3D printed just an image. But of course, you have a lot more way to do it. 3D printer just one of the slowest way.